Hi, welcome to Katerina Finds. Today I would like to review a yarn ball. It's handmade out of natural wood. It's such a beautiful piece. It comes in a few different sizes. Mine is a medium size. Such a beautiful texture and well-rounded edges. It has couple holes and a swirl where you can put a knit. It's suitable for variety of yarn balls. Here's the mine. You just put this one inside. That can actually stay together. Very nice for storage, very nice for knitting. Yarn ball not gonna escape from you all over the place. If you crochet, if you knit, whatever you do is such an interesting statement piece, and keeping everything together in one spot. I do recommend this one. I love everything that's handmade, and this is such a beautiful texture piece.